Hello, it's Yuto from SudachiRecipes.com. Today's video is how to make Izakaya style addictive salty cabbage. Addictive can sound like a bit of an overstatement for a bowl of cabbage, but I promise you, once you take one bite, you won't be able to stop going back for more. Okay, let's get right into it. 100 grams of cabbage, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, half teaspoon of chicken stock powder, quarter teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of garlic paste, and quarter teaspoon of black pepper. First, wash the cabbage and cut it up into bite-sized pieces. So, some people might think, what is izakaya? An izakaya is a place that serves food and alcoholic drinks. They're not really the same as bars or pubs. I'd probably describe them more like tapas bars because they don't really serve full meals, more like delicious snacks and sides. Munching and drinking are equally important there. From meat to fish, tofu, vegetables, there are so many unique dishes served in each izakaya. In a large bowl, add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, half tablespoon of chicken stock powder, quarter teaspoon of salt, and quarter teaspoon of black pepper. Quarter teaspoon of garlic paste. With your hands, mix the cabbage into the sauce and rub it over the leaves, making sure to evenly distribute it. No one wants to end up with one very salty bite, right? What you might find strange is Japanese people like having vegetables as beer snacks. Pickled cucumber is a good example. Transfer to a serving dish and enjoy with a beer. Thank you very much for watching today's video. If you liked the recipe, please like and subscribe. Have a good day everyone.